akin to what you would call Murphy's Law, what we're seeing is problems come out of problems. In 2020 alone, 1.16 million cyber attacks happened in India and India only. That's the kind of risk we're talking about. What are we without our data? The largest organizations actually spend millions and millions trying to protect their data. So why not spend a very, very small percent of that and protect it financially through cyber insurance? So as we all moved into lockdowns and into our work from home scenarios, and companies became more and more dependent on IT in terms of their usage of laptops, servers, accessing data. These hackers are almost as good as the ones you see in the movies. Suddenly, they have grown manifold. In terms of phishing, malware, ransomware, they're able to get into your systems, they're able to play around with it, they're able to hold you hostage, saying that, if you do not do what I asked you to do, then you will pay the price with your data. So, it's a risk that's about, it's happening all over, and I think somewhere we have to look at it from a lens of protecting ourselves just like we do with any other risk. What does it entail? See, for an organization or an individual, for both of them it's important. For an individual, it's your own personal money, it's your private account information, which is very important. For an organization, it is the mine data or the IP of any company, right? And that has to be kind of stored. And all of that gets covered through cyber insurance. Today, cyber insurance covers everything, right up from what is the amount that's extorted to what is the amount of loss that happened if you kind of paid someone. It is to the amount that you were conned into kind of transferring. All of that gets covered by cyber insurance. And we must protect ourselves just like we would do anything else. So while you take all the precautions to keep the data secure, to keep your organization's data secure, please also take one more step and actually insure yourself against it. Because while you go through that journey of trying to understand what happened to you when a cyber attack happens, you're at least protected financially. Even today, as we speak, more and more organizations are buying it for their data. It is actually covering every aspect of a cyber crime, and I think it's one of the unique products that's come out that's actually helping a lot of consumers with whatever loss happens, and it's not less. The primary point is, are you covered for the cyber attacks that are happening today to personal or to company data? And I think the answer has to come in, and you've got to kind of realize that it's very important to have a cyber insurance. It's data that is the largest selling product in the world, and while companies believe that we don't want to take this expense, it doesn't make sense. Please remember that it is the most precious part of your organization. What are we without our IP? The cyber pandemic is real. Please believe in it, and please invest behind the data that you put in and the security of the data that you put in. Thank you.